The geosciences, or earth sciences, are the least diverse of the scientific fields. In 2018, less than 18% of the degrees awarded across the geosciences went to racially and ethnically underrepresented and minoritized students, or URM. However, at the same time, minority populations are disproportionately impacted by environmental issues like climate change and environmental contamination. In today's changing world, we need a diverse group of thinkers ready to tackle today's biggest environmental problems like renewable energy, environmental remediation, and environmental injustices. However, some of the barriers to entry for URM include a lack of access to resources, access to role models and mentors, and geoscience coursework. So how do we address this? Our response was an immersive, locally based, culturally responsive, urban geochemistry research experience. We partnered with a teacher at a Philadelphia high school of the agricultural sciences and an environmental horticultural classroom starting last spring. We started with an introduction on environmental justice, followed by water, air, and soil geochemistry research modules. Each module used real tools and techniques used by geoscientists and addressed world issues of environmental justice. From there, we invited students to come to our university for the Villanova Environmental Geochemistry Summer Institute. We did a variety of activities during the summer program. We spent a day out in the field taking samples, which students then analyzed and mapped their own data. Students worked with different geotechnical tools, and they worked collaboratively. Additionally, we brought in a diverse array of speakers to connect with and speak with students about pathways and careers in the geosciences. At the end of the summer program, students had the opportunity to present their own collected research and propose environmental solutions to local community stakeholders. To assess our program's success, we used interviews and surveys with students, and what we found is that after our modules, students had increased interest in the geosciences and pursuing the geoscience careers, increased student knowledge of geochemistry topics and environmental justice issues, shifted student perceptions of science relevance in their everyday lives, and empowered students to enact change within their own communities. Our results show progress towards engaging and empowering underrepresented and minoritized students into the geosciences, an important step towards an environmentally just future. Thank you.